Welcome to Tiny Tutors, where wisdom begins in wonder. Hi, my name is Sujit, and today we'll be talking about hedgehogs. Just kidding, the nervous system. The human nervous system has three main parts. The brain is where we think about TV. The spinal cord helps the message pass onto the nerves, and the nerves control the parts of our body. The brain is where we do all the smart thinking stuff. That's where we do all our math and also where we wonder about the next episode of the cartoon. It has three parts. The forebrain, whose sciencey name is cerebrum, is the biggest part, and it takes care of all the main thinking. The midbrain takes care of a lot of things like sleep, seeing, hearing, and how awake we feel. The cerebellum looks like broccoli and helps us stay balanced. There are three types of nerves. Sensory nerves, which feel and take messages to the brain. Motor nerves, which take messages from the brain to our muscles. And mixed nerves are super nerves who do both. Our eye has the optic nerves and our nose has olfactory nerves. Our ear has the auditory nerves. Tongues have taste buds and help us taste burgers and stick our tongues out. Our skin has millions of nerves so we can feel everything. Everything. Now, isn't it weird to think that our brain is learning about itself?
It is weird.
Well, that's all for now. Bye-bye.